Hey everybody, this is Stiles of Vista Roofing. I'm really excited to tell you about the project we're working on today. Today we're going to be installing F-Wave shingles. One of the great things about F-Wave shingles, and the reason why we're doing it on this project, is because we're working in the historic district. The home we're working on today actually used to have asbestos shingles on it. So the only comparable product to asbestos is going to be like a tile or a slate style roof, but that has a very big restriction as far as weight requirements. So in order to install those much heavier shingles, we would have had to done some reframing on this project to actually make the structure strong enough to support the weight. While using the F-Wave product, it gives us a very similar look while not having all that extra weight. The front of this only weighs 35 pounds, so it's a significantly lighter product, which allows us to get that same look without having to worry about the framing and the weight requirements of the building. The F-Wave product is actually rated for 130 mile-an-hour winds despite its light weight. A lot of products use their weight to fight the wind. F-Wave uses its adhesion and the way the product is installed to actually fight the wind and promote its long lifespan. This product is Class A fire rated. It is also Class 4 hail rated. What they did to test that is they take a 2-inch ice ball, put it into a cannon, fire it at the shingles on zero slope, and upon impact, the shingles take little to no damage. The really cool thing about this is any damage these shingles do take, as far as surface scratches or abrasions we may see, you can actually take a torch to them, and the heat actually helps repair these shingles. Self-healing from the great heat we have in Columbia. They're actually heal and repair themselves from any minor imperfections or any small things that impact and hit the roof that could cause damage. So if we get small damage from hail that happens to fall here, shingles are going to take little to no damage, but if something does happen, like branches falling and hitting the roof, those kind of impacts could actually be healed just by heating the roof up rather than actually having to replace those tiles. All right, so we're up here on this roof we're doing for F-Wave. Joe's got his air torch. We're going to use that to simulate the natural heat from the environment once this black roof gets hot. So he's going to show you one of the cool things about this. So if at any point this roof gets gouged or scratched by branches, you can tell he's taking a nail and he's really trying to dig it in here. He's put 4 large gouges in there to mimic a tree branch falling and hitting the roof. So now we're going to take this heat and apply there and just watch what happens as what will be the natural effect of the heat hitting this roof and warming it up. So you can see there, this roof is healing itself just from the natural heat. This was just to mimic that heat from the sun. So you can see there as he goes over it, it's a quick pass with a hotter air, which would be the same thing the sun would do. These shingles are healing themselves. So any kind of storm environment, this is going to be really good. The sun's going to heat back up and then it's going to be like nothing ever happened. So let's get a good close up here now that he's done. Can't ever tell anything happened to that shingle. Just like new. So really great, really durable product. This product is 100% virgin material, but it is also 100% recyclable. Unlike asphalt shingles that cannot be recycled except for in certain markets, not in this market, this product can be taken to the local recycle center and recycled if the roof does need to be replaced in the future. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. This has been with Vista Roofing. Just want to say if you're interested in finding out more about this great F-Wave product, please stay tuned for our future videos. Or if you'd like to find out this is the right product for your home, please give us a call. Phone number Kat's going to put right here, and we'd be happy to come out, tell you more about the product, and see if it's the right fit for your home.